Hello, everyone. Got another video here for everybody to watch. This is about the Xbox One and per-person shooters. Call of Duty World War II, Destiny, whatever you play, per-person shooter. What stands for first-person shooter, FPS. The games that has you only see the gun at the whole person. These type of shooters. Well, a couple days ago, I bought these. I'll show you. Analog caps, precision caps, analog. It's made by Power A for the Xbox One. Overly bad boys up, and you see they sitting on top of the stick here. Okay, so in this package, you get both of these and this one, the small one, which is a smaller cap. And these are supposed to help with your accuracy and Call of Duty, okay? And they're easy to install. There's no instructions. Just, hey, I'll take one off. Take it off. Once you get it, see the A, triangle, if you can see it, you just, put it, just stick it on. That's it. You just stick it on. It's not on all the way, but there you go. You stick it on, and that's it. You stick it on, and you play. So these, let me tell you a good review about these things. They're good. They're very good. It took me a while to get used to it because literally it changed the way you shoot a gun. While you're playing the Xbox, see how high they sit compared to nothing on it. You stick it on there like this. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. Yeah, there we go. It took me. It'll take a while to get used to these because essentially you're doing something totally different now with the gun. I had to learn the gun all over again, but once I learned it, I was going 15 and 10 before I got these. Now I'm going 36 and 9. My highest game last night was 45 and 10. I'm just killing people with ease, and the accuracy is 10 times better with these. I don't want to take these off. Literally, I do not want to take these off. I want to play the division with it and see how my accuracy is division. But these are nice. And these only cost $8-9, under $10. Under $10 for the Xbox. They're really, really good. I like it. It works. It takes a while to get used to. But man, once you get used to it, once you play one gun, used to it, you don't want to put it down. I was going 35 and 9, 35 and 10, 42 and 17. It only helps with kills. Okay, so it won't help you. It won't save you from dying. Well, it helps you get more kills. It does increase your accuracy. I was playing that map with Call of Duty World War II, Augusto, the map with the big, a train in the middle of the map, that big map. And I was using the grease gun from far range and killing people with it. Literally, I was running around the map, killing people with SMG from long range. I'm like, ridiculous accuracy with these things. I mean, it's sick. Their accuracy. I mean, I would just shoot people from far range, from long range, with these two things. So I say, if you're a gamer, pick these up. I order some Control Freaks coming in soon. I'll do a review on that, and I order Control Freaks the grip to go around here. I will do a review of that also. So look forward to that. But these things, man, I was playing all night long. I did not want to stop playing. I was getting kills. I was getting kill streaks. I was getting headshots. With the SMG from far range. It was that crazy. You have to learn the gun all over again. And it don't take much to move. I mean, you don't take this much to move with this. You don't gotta do all this crazy stuff. You don't gotta move with this much. And it makes it easier to play the game. It makes it easy to play the game. It works. I say get this. I said go ahead and get it. go ahead and get it. Check it out. Leave it in the comments below. But I have a link to this to pick this up. I opened it up already. I have a link to this one, so you can pick it up on Amazon. It's like $7-8. I mean, it's cheap. If you play the Xbox, Call of Duty, Halo, Destiny, any shooting game that you want to shoot better, these will definitely help. I mean, they will help. They help. I mean, I was getting at least 30 kills a game, at least 30. My team was all going negative. I'm on one positive. This will increase your accuracy by 50%, no without a doubt. And I played 4 hours last night and it's getting better. So imagine if I put in 2 weeks with it, I'll be getting 40 kills, 50 kills a game. I got my best game with it so far. I had 18 straight kills. And I ran out of bullets. I was scrambling to find a gun. I found a gun that wasn't built right. And I got 19 kills while dying. That's my highest in Call of Duty World War II so far with these on. Without these, I might go 8-0, then I'll die because I missed. But 18-0, I was using the grease gun with that. The grease gun with that on a long range map, getting 18-0. So it definitely works. It's worth $10. So I'll have a link in the description box below how to pick these up. But hey, I'm Tyrone again. Visit my blog at rotogroup.org. Check me out. Hey, pick these up. Please share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.